What is viral marketing? Wikipedia says viral marketing or viral advertising is a business strategy that uses existing social networks to promote a product. Its name refers to how consumers spread information about a product with other people in their social networks, much in the same way that a virus spreads from one person to another. So then, it sounds rather like word-of-mouth advertising, or the gossip vine? Yes. That's right. So how can we encourage more people to share information about a company's goods or services via the internet? That's a million-dollar question, my friend. Imagine if we got the answer right. Well, I know someone who has created the technology to make all of this happen for you. His name is Brian Winters. I will soon pass you over to Brian. His amazing video is linked from the description box, just below this video. Click over to YouTube to get much more information, in the video description. Discovered that viral marketing funnels can be autonomously self-perpetuating, i.e. the funnels can grow, multiply, be distributed. All the while, carrying your lead capture form and your embedded affiliate links. With your ID. See the strength of this? Free entry is offered to you today. It's my gift to you. Are you feeling excited? You will soon have an unfair advantage over others. Crushing the competition in affiliate marketing. How does that make you feel? This viral marketing gift will score you email leads and cash commissions. Click now below. Okay,